Hello, and welcome to AnswerDock. In this video, we will explore how to use growth keyword to measure performance of any metric in our dataset. Let's start by searching for our monthly sales. To see growth in each month, add the keyword growth. This will display a waterfall chart by default, showing the growth in absolute terms in each month compared to the previous month. You can change growth to percentage growth to display the percentage. This will change the default visualization to a column chart. You can also compute growth compared to previous quarter or year by adding YOY, or year over year, or quarter over quarter, or any other reference keyword. You can add a dimension to drill further. For example, let's add by category to see the growth of each category separately. To limit the chart date period, I will add since 2018. In August 2018, office supplies grew at 235. This is compared to August 2017, since we specified a year-over-year comparison. Year-over-year is very useful for seasonal business, where it makes more sense to compare with previous year, rather than previous month. Now, let's explore growth without a date interval. Let's type sales growth this month. AnswerDock will display the sales this month and the growth in red or green under it. Note again that I can switch to percentage growth. Also, note that by default, it's comparing this month to the previous month. You can add year over year, or versus last year, or versus last quarter, to compare to a different period. Let's type versus last year. The growth calculation is now compared to last year. Note that since the current month has not full passed yet, you might want to compare only the portion of the month so far versus the same period last year. To do this, you can type month to date or this month so far. Note that now the comparison is October 1st to 15th this year versus last year, which is a more accurate growth calculation. As we did previously, we can add a dimension to drill further. Let's add by subcategory. This will show the growth for each subcategory separately. To show the growth and the actual sales for each subcategory, type sales again. The search becomes sales and sales growth this month so far versus last year by region. This is now showing the sales and the sales percentage growth on the X and Y axis in a scatter chart by default. Note that binders subcategory is the highest in sales and second highest in percentage growth, indicating a top-performing category. You can change the default scatter chart if needed. For more details about calculating growth, check AnswerDock documentation.